Welcome to Ramtron International Corporation's Technology Demonstration Video. Hi, I'm Danny Seacrest, Marketing Manager at Ramtron. We're committed to the innovation and delivery of unparalleled semiconductor solutions for a world of applications. Our processor companions offer complete peripheral solutions with highly integrated mixed signal functions for processor-based systems. To illustrate the valuable functions of our processor companion and microcontroller products, we've developed a demonstration board featuring our FM33256 serial SPI processor companion and one of our 8051 microcontrollers, the VRS51L3074, which demonstrates the following peripheral functions: a real-time clock with alarm functions, tamper event detection, a watchdog timer, and finally, a demonstration of FRAM's fast write ability to save data during a power failure. First, let's take a look at the real-time clock, or RTC. This integrated peripheral provides accurate timekeeping and can be calibrated to the highest possible accuracy. We have entered a preset value to the alarm on our demo board. The clock will advance until it reaches the prescribed alarm value, at which time the alarm will activate and the button will light up. In real-world applications, the RTC can enable further analysis of captured data, which can be used by a system to generate alerts. For example, during an equipment malfunction or a call for maintenance in industrial applications. Moving on, the tamper detection feature of Ramtron's processor companions are enabled by a non-volatile event counter that tracks system intrusions or other events. The tamper detection tracks the number of rising or falling edges detected on a dedicated input pin. The counter can be programmed to be non-volatile under VDD power or battery-backed using VBAC. The tamper detection feature is valuable in applications that require data protection and security. For example, tamper detection in an automatic meter reading device can timestamp an unauthorized intrusion into the device. Let's demonstrate this feature by powering up the tamper station. I will clear the tamper count, which is shown on the LCD board. By pressing the tamper button, this edge detection is picked up by the processor companion and displayed on the LCD. If I power down the tamper station and continue to simulate an intrusion by pressing the tamper switch 3 more times, the companion still picks up these events using the battery-backed feature. Upon power up, you will see the 3 additional tampers have been recorded for a total of 6 counts. The next peripheral function we'll look at is the watchdog timer. The watchdog is a timing device that triggers a system reset if the CPU or program experiences a fault condition, such as a system hang. The user can program the timer period to suit their design needs. The purpose of the watchdog is to bring the system back into normal operation. The flashing LEDs on the host board show normal communications on the clock and data lines. I will now simulate a hardware failure by pressing the fault to ground button. This fault simulation demonstrates a hardware failure. The signal goes to ground, which results in the processor not communicating with the watchdog. The WDT times out and triggers a reset, as shown by the flashing reset light. The interval of this flashing LED demonstrates the timer value that we've set to about ½ a second. One of the key benefits of non-volatile FRAM is its remarkably fast write operation. Because FRAM is capable of writing at full bus speed, there are no delays before data can be written to the memory. This property can be demonstrated in our power fail station. When I press the force power fail button, a power down sequence is initiated. When the power fails, the FRAM device is able to write 50,000 cycles versus simply 1 write for a comparable E2PROM memory device. As you can see on our display, tens of thousands of bytes of data was written to the FRAM during the power fail. This data is retained in FRAM's non-volatile memory without the need for a battery. FRAM's ability to write in nanoseconds has tremendous value in automotive or industrial applications where power failures are common and the need to capture data is crucial in a fast power down ramp. Ramtron's FRAM-based products offer the best combination of high-speed symmetrical read and write performance, extremely high write endurance, and very low power consumption. Your system could benefit from FRAM performance. Contact one of our sales offices, sales representatives, or distributors in your area by visiting our website. You can view more demonstrations online at ramtron.com/go/demos. Let one of our memory specialists assist you with your memory configuration needs. FRAM, it's the memory of choice by system designers the world over.